Hello my friend, today we have a patient over here. Well, actually laptop is okay, the battery is crap. So today we're gonna try to fix the battery, maybe clean up a little bit dust, because if you see in this on this vent there is a whole bunch of dust collected, and maybe I'll blow it and try to replace the battery. So in order to revive our patient, we have new battery here. This is not as easy as just buying a new battery and just walking it in the back of your laptop if Bob's your uncle. You have to actually open the laptop, unscrew the battery, plug it in over here, pull the battery out, plug it in, screw it in. Very easy. I think it will be easy procedure, but because we have this sort of laptop that there is no how to say, there is no special openings, you have to unscrew everything possible here, and then in order to have access to the battery. So this laptop is Dell Precision 3510. It's actually a pretty good laptop for these days. Just the problem is the battery is so dead that at the moment you unplug your power cord, it just dies immediately. It doesn't charge. So it'll be another video when I'm gonna do autopsy of that battery to understand what the hell happened to it. But as far as I already start understanding all this Dell business related to batteries, and it's not that easy, I must say. Okay, let's quickly unscrew all this jazz. Alrighty, that was a whole bunch of screws had to unscrew. What was this about? Jeez. And looks like someone already had to go on this laptop, because there is a crack over here, hairline, but it is. I don't know, didn't have proper tools or something. Jeez, it's snapped, but it's not that badly snapped. So it's just you have to, if you have proper tools, you just go around and click everywhere, and that's it, and it's just works. You don't have to really crack anything. Just people using stupid screwdrivers and messing stuff up big times. Look, it's nice, it's easy, just super easy. Look, you don't have to break anything. Come on. This kind of tool costs like a penny on eBay. Ta-da! Yeah, I don't know if you see crack. Oh, it's just here, right here. You see, right here. Anyways, it's no big deal. All right, it's super dusty inside. Okay, I guess I'll have to clean this up a little bit. Nice fan. Look at all this dust. Yeah, it's quite a bit dusty. I didn't expect it to be dusty. By the way, here's the battery. So, is it bulged? Oh my god, this battery bulged! Oh shit! Yeah. Okay, that's why it's no bueno, or how to say, not working. I know no bueno means really. Yeah, it's, look. You see, it flexes, it's bulged. Okay, well, I'm not sure about autopsy of this battery, but it's definitely no good. Okay, let me first clean all this up. Alright, before we disassemble it, I wanna take a look at the laptop first, and how it's constructed. As you see, there are two memory modules over here. I think this is M2 SSD right over here. Weird that this is probably LTE kind of module gonna go in here. This is Wi-Fi module. There is not much going on here because this is deeply integrated laptop. Obviously don't gonna disassemble it completely, but I actually never seen this one disassembled before. I really love this fan. It's actually cool looking. Yeah. Anyways, there are speakers, but by the way, this laptop is not that loud. It just more or less, it's decent, but it's not loud at all. So I would like to use some headsets or external a wired speaker. Okay, so in order to pull the battery out, we have to unscrew a bunch of screws here. This one is loose already. Someone already played with it. Okay, nothing here. I'm not sure what this one. This is a band. What the why this? Yeah, curious. Who was already fiddling with this? Okay, let's take this battery out quickly. Okay, nothing to take out here. Yeah. And this laptop is not that old. It's just like a few years old. I don't get it. Like, why this battery is crapped out so quickly? Well, you already saw my video about the another Dell battery, which actually completely died, and I couldn't revive it, and I still try to do it, and I couldn't do it. Because apparently there is a whole thing. It's not just like, you know, we're replacing the elements and it's gonna work. No, this is so much more complicated. No, I hope I don't have to unscrew it on that, on the SSD. Yes, I don't. Okay, now I have to pull this out. Yeah. That's it. Battery's out. Yeah, it's really hard. It's not that I hope you're gonna see that it's slightly bulged. It's not crazy. It's nothing major, but yeah, I'm not sure. I hope you're gonna see that. It's bulged, believe me. And it's like it's like a pillow, right? It feels like it is pillow. It's soft and flexible. So definitely. Probably there is 1, 2, 3 cells over here, and one cell, like this central one, it looks like it's bulged, because those two are fine. So yeah, this battery is Gonski. Well, autopsy of the battery will be a separate story. So let's get new battery, and obviously you were touching it over here. It's nice and flat across the whole width of the battery. And interesting. Let's take a look at something here. So this battery is dated 2017-03. So it's March 2017. This is brand new battery and it's dated 2018 June. Let me do something here. I'll be back in a second. Alrighty, so this is our new battery. And there is something also interesting. I noticed this battery says standard. So potentially you can fit in like extended battery or something in here, because if this one says standard, though, that has to be like non-standard or like a more powerful battery, as it is with just regular, not. Oh yeah, click. Just double checking it's good and snug. Okay. Now we would have to put everything back in. One, two, three, four, five. Right, so I decided to do something like this. This is my little, so I printed out in a label printer installed today. Today is January 23rd. And whoever gonna ever open this laptop, who knows how many years after, they're gonna know that this battery lasted that much time. So from this point, I think we are good. I'm not gonna power it up. Just like now, because actually I don't have power supply handy. Sorry, power supply, the power brick handy for this one. But I'll find it, run upstairs and find it, or whatever, whenever it is, whenever I left it. So. Okay, so here we are. Here's our power supply. We're gonna just plug it in, and yes, it's charging. Over here in the corner, I see the charging light is on, so battery is on. So the only thing what I have to do is actually completely fully discharge and charge this battery several times. Also have to go through like calibration procedure in order to actually reset or recalibrate laptop and the battery. So, but that's it's not the task of this video. This video turned out to be pretty simple. I removed this craptacular battery, which is bulged over here, and replace the new one. I think this is gonna be it for today. Please stay tuned for the video when I'm gonna take this puppy apart. Not sure if it's charged or not. I'll try to be as careful as possible, and looks like it won't be that hard. Well, unless it's completely potted inside, I don't know, but potentially it is not. We'll see. This battery should be not as sealed as, for example, in my other YouTube video when I try to disassemble another Dell laptop battery. I have to essentially hack through it. This one looks like it'll be a little bit easier because technically not much would happen to this particular battery. But let's see. Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Please like and subscribe if you like this sort of video and give me your suggestions. Ciao!